Creative U-shape. UGREEN USB-C to USB-A cable with an innovative 180 degrees U-shape design is much more convenient and more comfortable for playing games, watching videos, reading ebooks when you lie on the couch or bed while charging. Important note: this U-shape cable cannot work with phone or case thickness more than 0.078 inches. Safe and quick charge. Supports quick charge 4.0, 3.0, with max output up to 3A, providing 5V3A, 9V2A or 12V1.5A fast charging. Built-in 56 kΩ resistor, this USB-C cable guarantees reliable conductivity and charging, protecting your cell phones from damage due to excessive current. Durable flexible. Nylon braided cable ensures the reliability and durability for longer lifespan. Double-sided USB-C connectors with overmolded strain relief are designed for frequent plugging and unplugging, providing a reliable performance and 10,000 plus bend and 10,000 plus insertion lifespan. Broad compatibility. Compatible with Samsung S10, S10e, S10 Plus, Galaxy S9, S8 Plus, Note 9, Note 8a, 8 2018, Galaxy Tab S3 9.7, Galaxy Fold, LG G5, G6, G7 Think, LG V20, V30, V40, V50, Moto G6, Moto Z Force, Moto Z2 Play, Moto Z4, Z3, ZTE Axon 7, HTC 10U 12+, Huawei P9 iPad Pro 11 12.9 2018 more. Fast date transfer. Supports syncing speed up to 480 megabits per second, USB 2.0. It can transfer 1 GB files in 30 seconds. Top reviews from the United States. UGREEN never fails. I have purchased a lot of UGREEN cables and not one of them has failed. I bought this one for a portable monitor and it is very low profile unlike the other choices for 180 fittings which stick out 1/2 plus.